2012 Ford Explorer Limited. Has 6 cylinders, 3.5 liters, and the Autocheck history report shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can view the Autocheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. It has the power lift gate, and it also has power folding seats. So we're gonna have, I have it selected here, so it's gonna do both, and we're gonna stow them. Such an awesome feature here. And then you have plenty of space, and then you just hit normal, and back they go. The only thing you have to do is fold up the headrest. And then it has plenty of space for storage, and then you have the power lift gate. It has towing capability, and we'll zoom in so you can see the rims and the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is a nice two-toned leather. You have black and brown. Here is the middle row. And nice rubber floor mats to help keep the interior of your car clean. There's your rear air controls. Got an outlet and the 12-volt ports. And then you have the third row back here. Let's go up front. You have power seats. Here is the passenger seat. There are no caution lights or warning lights on. It has seat memory. There's your power locks, power windows. Here's the driver's seat. This display screen is where your backup camera is, and you also have heated and vented seats as well. There's controls. It's equipped with Microsoft Sync, and in there you have your auxiliary USB and your navigation SD card and a 12-volt port. And then you have different selections of driving terrain depending on what the weather's looking like. And then also you have a sunroof here that tilts opens or slides back, and then the moonroof in the back. So a nice feature there. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Ford Explorer out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!